Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'll show you how to enable or disable the Scribble option on the Apple Pencil. So, for example, if you want to type in text, what you can do with the Scribble option is you can, instead of using your keyboard, you can type in the text in the typing field using your Apple Pencil. And you can also do a few actions. So, for example, if you have some text written and you wanted to delete it, you can just scribble over that text and it will be deleted, and a few other actions. So if you want that option enabled or disabled, what you can do is just go to the settings, then click on the Apple Pencil section, and then enable the Scribble option. So if you have it enabled, you also have the Try Scribble option, which allows you to get familiar with the setting. So for example, if you type right here, you can also scribble out, and it gives you a tutorial how to delete, select, insert, and join. And once you're done, you can click on Done and use your Apple Pencil. That's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.